Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. This is going to be a part of my Vlogmas vlogs for Christmas. So this look, you can do it for date night, birthday, Christmas, holiday, anything. So I'm going to start off by just lining my eyebrows. I never really fill them in. I don't know why, I just don't. But I'm just going to line them with my concealer. And the bottom of my eyebrow, I'm just going to blend that down. And the top, I'm just going to blend it up. I'm going to show you guys how I conceal later. But I'm using this palette. It's called 23 and it has 23 colors in it, but you can just get it at the beauty supply store. What I did was I just went in with the brown, built the brown in my crease, and then I'm going in with this orange color to apply it to my lid. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to both lids. I'm using the orange color because my shirt is a burnt orange. So yeah, we're just going to do it like that. And then once I have my lid color, I'm just going to add a little bit more concealer to this eyebrow just so that you can see the pop in the eyeshadow. And the next thing that I'm doing is I have a black eyeshadow. I don't use eyeliner on my top lid because I can't do it. So I'm just going to add the black eyeliner to the black eyeshadow to my lid. And here I just concealed. I put the concealer on. I did put the foundation on already as well. That part just didn't record. So now I'm just going to highlight a little bit under my eye by putting concealer there and highlighting it and blending it. So, yeah, I'm trying to do this voiceover in one take, so forgive me. So then I'm going to add this little eyeshadow to my cheeks as like a little, shimmer to my cheeks. And then I went in and added my mascara. Alright, so now I'm just I can't find my lip gloss, y'all, so I just put a little Vaseline on my lips. Hair tray come bothering me, but this is the wig that I'm going to put on. It's the Moon shape wig. I did a review on this already. I'll list that below. I'm just gonna, I'm sorry, y'all, cat talking. I'm just gonna throw on this wig and comb it out and make it look a little cute. So this is a really cute wig. I love it. It does tangle a little bit. That's why I have my synthetic hairspray for this. It's like a conditioning spray and it helps get the tangles out of the wig. And like I said, this is a really cute look for date night, holidays, anything that you would like to wear it as. And I'm just going to go ahead and put on my earrings, y'all. Please excuse Kai. He thinks I'm talking to him. But anyways, he'll be okay. So I just added a little foundation to the lace at the top. And I'm going to conceal my part just to make it look more natural, more scalp-like. So this is how it looks. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Hit that notification bell. Help me build my subscribers and my views. I will be posting videos a lot. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a blessed holiday.